You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19k level, and on the 4-hour chart, market is heading to the downside, and also on ETH, market is going down. So what are we expecting today in the market as we see the market continue to head down? Are we expecting more dump, or market is going to make a sharp turn to the upside? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart here, nothing has changed. I'm still expecting the market to move to the downside. Nothing much than the market still, coming back down into this level of support. So I'm expecting the market to come back into this level of support at this very area. And that is what I've been expecting since the market come into this level of resistance right at this very area. So if you look at here, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, and we have resistance at this area. So this level is a very strong level, and right now market is going to still move down to this level of support, and that is my expectation. And on the 4-hour chart BTC, if you look at this, market is slightly moving down. Are we going to see this market plunge right down into this level of support, or we are going to see the market move a little bit into this area, then make a U-turn to the upside? Now my expectation is that market will come down first. When market come into this level of support, then we are going to define how the market is going to move next. Like I said earlier, don't expect a very sharp move to the upside, even though market come into this level of support as it was doing at this very area and the previous areas on this level of support, because right now market have a greater potential of breaking to the downside on the 1-week chart that I talked about yesterday. So if you not watch that video yesterday, go and watch that video. It's on the channel right now, so that you position yourself very well, because I am expecting the market to still come back down on the 1-week chart, and that will be an aggressive move to the downside. So on this very move on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to move right down. That is my own analysis. And also on ETH, nothing changed. Expect the market to still come back down into this level of support. We know the market nearly touched this support last time, but right here market will still come back down. That is what I am expecting in the market. And I said expect a breakout here on ETH, that the possibility of ETH breaking out very easily is there compared to BTC. So BTC and ETH, very important. So on ETH here, market will come back down. The possibility of breaking out here is very, very high, and market can plunge back down into $1,200 level on ETH. So that is what I am expecting, and pay attention to right now on the immediate short term. So what do you think about the market on the BTC USDT 1-day chart? Do you think this market is going to come back down into this level? We're going to see a U-turn from here to the upside. Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.